The plan today is to make a table roughly these dimensions to mount onto these linear rail blocks. The problem we have is not being able to see the holes in the blocks for drilling. It's also been noted elsewhere that these tappings aren't always as regular as they may seem. Now I plan to make a template for the drilling of the table using this clear celluloid. I position it where I want. Then I'm going to melt holes through the celluloid with an old soldering iron, attaching bolts as I go along to avoid any misalignment. Once completed, this should have the holes in the correct spot corresponding to the positioning, and I can build any subsequent table based on this template. So that's the plan. Having used the soldering iron, we've now got a template that's unique to this pair of rails and ball screw. So we have the ball screw, the linear rails, the template, a suitable piece of wood, I'm sure this will just be the first of many. The tables will be like everything else on the project, an evolution, and the templates being used. As I said earlier, the configuration is unique to this particular table. And the next stage, when the day wakes up a bit and I can make a bit of noise, I'll drill the wood and mount it to the linear rails. Here's the table drilled using the celluloid template, attached by a single bolt to each of the carriages on the linear rail. The next step is to attach it to the ball screw and power this backwards and forwards. But what this shows me is that the bed is solid, no flex, no rock, and smooth running. And now with the ball screw temporarily attached, pistol drill on the end of the ball screw. When the pistol drill rotates clockwise, the table comes towards me. And if I reverse the drill, that concludes the test of the alignment of the ball screw and the linear rails. Everything seems to be working smoothly.